Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do we have a good one for you. I got a 1956 Chevrolet BelAir two-door hardtop. We're going to take a look at it here. It's powered by 265, solid lift cam, 3-speed on the column, and we're going to take a look at it. All original car. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. You can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We're going to take a look at this 1956 Chevrolet BelAir. What a gorgeous car this is right here. Finished in black with the hubcaps, and the wheels really look good. Just a really, really beautiful car. Super original. Interior, we'll take a look at. Excellent condition here. It's got a padded dash, which is very rare. 3-speed on the column, standard shift. Rear speaker. Grab the key here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Car's finished in excellent condition. Let's see. All the trunk is finished beautifully. It's got a trunk sticker there. It's got spare tire and jack equipment. Really, really looks good. Shut the trunk here. And Dad's going to start it up for us. Car sounds good. Put it into gear, cut it off here. Put it down into gear. Like I said, it's got a padded dash. It's really, really nice. It is the right color for the car. It's the right interior code for the car. Just a super, super slick car right here. Really, really nice. All the bottoms of the doors look good. It's really, really nice. Shut the door here. We're going to take a look underneath the hood. All underneath the hood is powered by, like I said, a 265 solid lift cam. Really, really clean car here. Really looks good. All nice and clean. All underneath the hood looks great. Shut the hood here. And take one more quick look at the 1956 Chevrolet BelAir two-door hardtop. If you have questions on this, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. Give us a call, and we'll be glad to show you this one, but we're going to take this car on a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1956 Chevrolet BelAir for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving some classic cars. We're going to take this 56 out and see how it does. It's got a 3-speed on the column. A lot of people call that theft protection. The younger generation doesn't know how to drive a 3-speed on the column, so nobody can steal your car. But we're going to take this on a test drive and see how it does. driving car. All right, we're gonna turn around and head back here. Really just runs and drives good, shifts through all the gears the right way. Excellent car here. Being all original makes it even sweeter. So we're gonna turn around and head back here. And like I do every time, I'm gonna have Greg get on it just a little bit. I'm gonna see what this 56 is made of. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. Smooth as silk. All right, we're almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have questions, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. All right, we're gonna take this and show you what it looks like underneath. Here's the underneath.